What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be looking at another tool. It's quite simple. Codejet. It's called Codejet. You can find it at codejet.ai. And so what this tool is going to allow you to do is to convert your Figma templates to quality React and HTML code. So this definitely, I'm sure you all know about what Figma is. You build the templates or the UI design of an application or a website, and so what this application is going to do is going to help you to convert that template of whatever project you're working on into code directly. Wow, so this is amazing. And so this is it, like you put in the template design and it's going to grab all the elements and convert it, so it's quite interesting if it's able to do this. And there are two things that I'll note here, you know but before we get to that, let's just look at how it works. Here's how it works. You design something in Figma, maybe a button, a website, an application, or whatsoever. You design it in Figma, then you export it to Codejet, and then you download the source code. So Codejet is going to convert your whatever design you have made into that source code of React or HTML. So yeah, that's what it's going to do. So there were 2 points I wanted to note here. The URL is .ai, which kind of gives you a hint that is powered by AI tools, which already makes it quite unique in a certain sense. And you equally have this product hunts badge, product of the day, and this other batch of developers tools, number one product of the week, which really gives you kind of an endorsement that this is a tool that does work at least to a certain level well, but you won't know it until you test it out for yourself. So I definitely recommend that you check it out and you let me know if it does work as well as it claims. So basically what it allows you to do, like we said, is convert a design in Figma into a full React code. So that's quite amazing. So let's check out some of the key features it does have. Responsive design, structured and tested code, easy to customize, clean open source code. So the most powerful tool on the market. Wow, that's a bold claim. Yeah, and so yeah, it makes a little comparison with some other tools that do the same thing as well, and you can see all the features it has in addition. Yeah, but this is really early alpha for now, so I guess it's still in development. Quite funny. Yeah, still in development, but I'm sure we can definitely check it out already. So the last thing we're going to check out is the pricing. Like, what's the pricing on this? So you do have a free plan. We have a plan at $19 per month. And you can also get a custom plan as well. What you can do with the free plan: 20 exports, generate and download code, React.js or HTML, generate unit tests for code, and email support. Yeah, so on the $19 plan per month, you have unlimited exports, generate unit tests, priority support, priority access to new features, 5 UI templates. Yeah, so yeah, that's a little bit it. So is it for this tool? It's called Codejet. Definitely check it out at codejet.ai, and you see if it generates you a very faithful code to the design you would have come up with. Yeah, so that's it for this tool. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.